Hey, smart spenders, ready to take full control of your financial data? Let's explore the heart of your financial planner, the transaction log, where every rupee, dollar, or dirham gets tracked, filtered, and visualized with ease. This log is built to handle 5,000 plus entries, and it's super simple to use. For every transaction, just enter the date, the amount, choose a category and subcategory, and add any notes for details. Whether it's coffee or car repairs, everything is recorded neatly. What's even cooler, you'll get average insights that help you understand how a specific spending stacks up against your other expenses. It's like having a built-in financial compass, guiding your next move. Need to dig deeper? Use the smart filters to view transactions by date, category, or subcategory. Find exactly what you need in seconds. No more scrolling for hours. And here's the best part. You don't have to come back to this sheet every time. Your filtered data flows directly into your monthly sheets, where you can apply the same filters and view everything with enhanced visual clarity. It's seamless, smart, and saves you time. Want to know your top 5 highest transactions of all time? This log's got you covered. Plus, it features interactive graphs that reveal your spending habits, patterns, and surprises. The transaction log is more than just a sheet. It's your financial control tower. Track, analyze, and master your money with accuracy and confidence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know how many transactions you plan to log this year.